Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick tip how to restore missing default swatches from the Swatches panel. First, click on the Swatch Libraries menu icon, scroll down to Default Swatches and select Print. Now click on the first swatch and while you are holding down the Shift key, click on the last swatch. Next, click, hold and drag it into the Swatches panel. If you still don't see all swatches, click on the Show Swatch Kinds menu and select Show All Swatches. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.